Well, today I wanted to address something regarding personal development. Why is my emphasis on personal development? And I got this revelation long time ago. More like, assuming we were a tree, obviously all trees have roots and they produce fruit. So the fruit is the result of the nutrients that tree is getting, that the fruit will taste a certain way based on the soil. The fruit is evidence of what is at the root. So if you planted a mango tree, chances are the fruit will be mango. Hopefully they are mango. So my point is, with personal development, we are going to the root of things, uprooting things that are not desirable anymore, putting nutrients in you that are desirable for the desirable fruit. The results you have now are a summation of all your thoughts you've had, either through life or, but it's just a summation. So if the results you're getting now are not what you want, it means the issue is at the root. The results have no problem. The results are just taking a natural progression, For example, if you're someone who thinks positive thoughts, naturally your environment will start to reflect that. So let's go back to the root. No more pointing fingers. Let's put emphasis on personal development, personal responsibility, and let's get to the root of the issue. The fruit will naturally reflect what's at the root. You don't even have to try hard, because fixing the fruit is a temporary solution. It's just like putting a bandage on the wound, but then the root is still infected. So with personal development, we are going to the root. We are fixing the root, putting proper nutrients